traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 30th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:57 am. So traders, today we have taken a trade in Asian Paint, and this is our target and our stop loss. Okay traders, what I did that yesterday I had drawn this a support price, or it was a resistance first, now it is acting as a support. So when it gave a breakout of this resistance, we entered into the trade, and we are targeting for some points below R2. Okay traders, so this is our today's trade, and we have taken 4 quantities so that our maximum loss will not be more than 100 rupees. Okay traders, so this is our today's traders, and now we are waiting what will happen. So now I am pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum on either side, I will update you. So traders, it's now currently 11:30 am, and here you can see that first it gone upside and spent it some time at near our cost price, but currently it is trading near our stop loss. But also our stop loss has been not triggered yet traders, so we are waiting if our stop loss got triggered, or it again come back to our cost price. Okay traders, so this is our update for this trade, and I will update you after some time. So traders, now it's 11:13 p.m. and you can see here that our stop loss was got triggered, and today unfortunately we have to book loss, but it's okay since it's a part of trading. We accept our loss, and that's all right. So let's calculate the loss which we booked today. So the stop loss points were 28.70, and the quantities which we took in the trade were 4. So our today's total loss is traders 114 rupees. Okay traders, 8.70. Okay, so we have calculated correctly. So traders, this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.